Oy'Nissh, millennial Jamaican name, food, and language.
Hi again, everyone. Welcome to another Oy'Nissh vlog. And in this video, I'll now start to introduce to you lessons in the language. And to start is lesson 1. And no better place to start than the writing system. Like the English language that has an alphabet system, and most language does have an alphabet system. It works differently in language that uses character, but they've got their own system. Oy'Nissh language does have its own system of representation or scribing. Now, this video is about Gwaiferm or the Gwaiferm chart, because this gives you now an orientation of how the language works. Oy'Nissh language uses two systems of writing. Firstly, it uses vowel. Vowel is the character system designed in March of 2021. It is the official representation of the language. And an interface has been created, which is an alphabet system, which is not so much the official part of the language, but it helps or aids in learning outcome for people who uses alphabet. And because I'm from an English-speaking Caribbean country, I realized that it's important to have a type of interface so people can understand what a character would look like in alphabet form. At least gives you an idea, so the learning outcomes are a lot easier. And this alphabet system is, our interface is called Gwaiferm, from which Gwaiferm chart is created. I'm hoping that as we go through the chart, at least the basics of it, you will now start to understand how consonants and vowels are structured, and to see how different it is from the English-speaking world, but also, if you're a Jamaican, from the Jamaican patois system or dialect. So journey along with me, and I hope that you'll be edified. And please share this video with your friends and loved ones. This is supposed to be a fun language. It evolved from a food system, and the idea is to use it in the future as a fun learning outcome, while people, maybe kids, teens, and adults, are learning to prepare Oy'Nissh food. So I hope that you'll enjoy this video.
vowel, 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 Gwaiferm, 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 Gwaiferm. Overall, there are 129 basic vowel, from which all words are written in character or in alphabet form. Of these, 560 are consonants, 120 are vowels, and 331 are updates. The consonants are divided into 3 categories: dweku, Gwaiferm, and Oy'Nissh. There are 441 dweku, or deconstructed consonant pairs. There are 77 Gwaiferm, or free radical consonants. There are 42 Oy'Nissh, or musical consonants. There are 120 Oy'Nissh. There are 331 Gwaiferm, or Gwaiferms, which are character updates in reserve.
In the next video, I will now start to look at different categories of the Gwaiferm, starting with consonants. So, I hope you enjoy this video, and please remember to share. It's exciting times, share with your friends and family.